Stop it.
Stop what?
You're talking about me in Morse code. You know what? Joke's on you, because I know Morse code. Ha!
Yeah, that's what we're doing. In our very limited free time and with our very limited budget, we went and got a nanny, and then we went out and took a class on a very outmoded and very unnecessary form of communication just so we could talk about you in front of you. Yep, that's exactly what we did.
Very well. I must have imagined it. I apologize. Detonator. Detonator where?
Are you clicking a detonator?
It's a pin.
Michael, come on.
Get back to work, Dwight.
Hey, tap away.